Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install and how to add a big smile in the Face app in 2026. Do you want a bigger, more confident smile? The Face app lets you enhance it easily. And here's exactly how to do that by following some few simple steps. But before we start, here's a quick guide on how to install and download the Face app Perfect Face Editor application. We're just gonna head to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. Then you're gonna make sure to download and install the application from there. As you can see here, you're gonna look for the Face app Perfect Face Editor developed by FaceApp Technology. Once you find it, you're gonna make sure to click on the install button, and once the installation is completed, you're gonna launch the app. Then you're gonna make sure to grant it permission to access your gallery and your camera. Once you give it permission, all your photos will be displayed here. The photos with a clear face in them will be displayed in this page right here. And you can also alternatively take an instant photo with your camera by clicking on the camera button. Now, once you upload your photo by selecting your photo, you're gonna scroll down, and from this toolbar right here, you're gonna go all the way until you find the smile filter, smile section. You're gonna click on it. Then you're gonna choose a stronger smile effect. Now, if you want a bigger smile, you're gonna go wide here. As you can see, this filter requires a premium version. So if you want to use the wide smile option, you're gonna have to pay for a premium subscription. Make sure you do that. And after that, you're gonna click on apply. Then you're gonna save your picture to your phone. Now, a bigger smile can boost your photos instantly, so use FaceApp to find the perfect balance. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.